Hello, today you're looking at a 15 horsepower Ingersoll-Rand screw air compressor brought to you by Lanco. Unit comes with an 80-gallon air tank there on the bottom. We'll take a look at the nameplate here on the compressor. It is rated at 55 CFM and 125 PSI, as you just saw. It is wired for 208 volt. And the controls are at the top here. And to start it, take a guess. Hit the green button. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.